Crystals, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is made possible in collaboration with Stationery Pal. So I know you're excited because you've been asking for this, and here it is. We are doing another international giveaway. Yes, you heard it right. Of course, your girl's always gonna hook you up with a discount code to make sure that if you are gonna buy on their website that you use the discount code Cristin makes to get some dollars off your purchase, if you know what I mean. Stationery Pal is always giving out sales. So this November, they are having the Double 11 Black Friday biggest sale. They also have 50% off on selected items, and they also have a mystery set. So if you're interested in those things, make sure to check out their website at www.stationarypal.com. So going back to the giveaway, I am going to give items from today's haul to 3 lucky winners. So if you want to join this giveaway, make sure to stick around till the end of this video to find out how to participate. I hope you're ready because I am more than ready. It's time for another. What's that? Let's just get started with another crystal. Okay, everybody sit down, sit down, sit down. If you made it this far, that means, I know what you're thinking, you want to join the giveaway. Just follow these 4 simple steps. Step number 1 is to make sure that you like this video. Step number 2, subscribe to this channel right now. Hit that subscribe button right now. Step number 3, follow me in at least one of these platforms: TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. All the links will be in the description down below. And step number 4 is to make sure that you fill out the form completely, because if not, then I will not be able to send you your items. Finish all the requirements before November 30 because I'm going to close. Huh? Why am I slicing? Again, November 30 is the last day, feel me? I will send an email to all the winners, so make sure to keep an eye out. Check your junk mail, just in case my message goes through the junk. Yeah, product placement. And that is it. I hope that you win. I hope that you get a prize. I hope that you get lucky. I hope all the best things for you, because you are awesome. I hope that you enjoyed today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always supporting the channel. I hope you guys have a great day ahead of you. Take good care, God bless, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.